Hello everyone. In this video, when people messed with the wrong cops, you'll see shocking moments of instant karma caught on dashcams as offenders face the consequences of their reckless actions. Get ready for intense, real-life encounters.
No, your name. I know Nisha. I remember you were.
Resisting and attacking the police only makes things worse. She will learn a lesson from today. The police don't always escalate immediately, but resistance, provocation, and loss of control turned a situation that could have been handled quickly into a tense and prolonged incident.
Lisa, stop pretending. Stop.
You can't. You're fine. Look. At least we're living. Glasses.
127.
Lisa, stop. Calm down.
Relax and breathe.
Watch him. Turn that way. Turn that way, please, ma'am. She goes straight at you.
Take a seat.
There you go. Watch out the door. Just stay over here.
The police approached the suspect in the theft case. However, during the arrest, she attacked the officers and continuously shouted insults, escalating the situation. No matter how much she resisted, the law cannot be escaped. She was quickly subdued and taken into custody. Chaos erupted as soon as the officer arrived on the scene. Wright kept resisting, carrying scissors and charging at the patrol car. All warnings and orders were ignored, rapidly turning the situation dangerous. His aggressive actions forced the police to take stronger measures.
Get on the ground, please! Get on the ground!
The police discovered a reported stolen vehicle. Instead of stopping, the driver recklessly hit multiple vehicles before crashing into a fire hydrant. He still tried to flee, but the law always catches up with those who run. This woman didn't just punch her boyfriend, she also struck a police officer. The situation escalated as she kept arguing, and when the police had to arrest her, she attacked the officers. These actions will soon make her regretful.
We gotta step
Police were called to handle 2 intoxicated individuals causing a disturbance in a bar who refused to leave. Even after clear warnings, she filmed and mocked the officers, escalating the situation. Being drunk and uncooperative usually leads to only one outcome.
Yep, I got it.
I know.
You're a fucking womanizer.
What?
You're a rapist.
Yeah, in the car.
You don't know.
Sit in.
You ain't privileged, kid.
Stop fighting. Stop. Why are you so angry?
Because you're an abusive, lying
watch your foot.
son of a bitch.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself. Watch.
Talk about this one here. He's high.
What seemed like a simple counterfeit money investigation quickly turned into an arrest after the suspect tried to flee. Trying to escape the law is never a wise choice.
Give me your head. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
When I told you to stop, why didn't you stop?
Obviously, cover one. Let's get him up. Get him up. 1, 2.
And you're back to the purpose of the vehicle.
When the wife was found to be driving under the influence and about to be arrested, the husband became agitated. Despite officers trying to calm him and explain the situation, Kyle continued to threaten, argue, and disobey orders, resulting in him being restrained and tasered. The law does not tolerate resistance.
Kyle, get out of my face! I'm not gonna ask you again! You're not gonna intimidate me. Why? Quit resisting! God, I do! So stupid! Stop! You didn't mean to be in your face. Well, you were, and I asked you 3 times. Get off me.
Police arrived after receiving a report of an assault. While gathering information, the suspect suddenly approached and attacked the officers. The situation became serious as she continued to resist. Ultimately, she will face the consequences of her actions.
Here. Harley. Harley.
Police received a report of a drunken woman attempting to assault a man. When approached, she was uncooperative, shouting, resisting, and refusing to follow commands. The situation quickly escalated as she struggled with the officers, cursed, and spat. Challenging the law only makes things worse. Police arrived after a report of a man with a gun and knife trespassing on Fay Elementary School grounds. The situation escalated as he refused to cooperate and fled when officers approached. The outcome for such actions can only be one.
Place both hands above your head. Not restrained. Watch out.
You ready? Fire me back.
Hey, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Up. Let me see your hand.
Move it, move it.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Hey, don't reach for that. Put your hands above your head.
Fire me back. Fire me back.
Drop the gun, you're gonna get shot. Drop the gun, you're gonna get shot.
What do you need, man?
What seemed like a minor collision became a DUI investigation, simply due to his attitude and uncooperative behavior. Especially when he tried to resist using force, it only led to a quicker arrest.
Alright, sir. Yes, sir. Alright. Here's your insurance card. Thank you. Case number I have highlighted for you? Yeah. Our information in the first box? Yeah, alright. And then myself at the bottom.
Driving on influence, okay?
Really?
Yeah, I gotta read this to you.
Really?
Yeah, I gotta read your license to you.
Really?
Yes, I'm serious.
Really?
I'm ready, I'm listening. I'm all ears.
I take. Don't tell me what to do and when not. That's not your rules. Why not? You're resisting! Stop resisting! Good. Now we're good. Good. And now, let's go. I need your badge number and your report. No, I need it. 7. I need it.
When police approached theft suspects in a parking lot, the situation quickly got out of control. The group tried to flee in a vehicle, almost hitting an officer, forcing the police to issue a chase. A minor theft, but the choice to flee recklessly escalated it into a series of much more serious charges.
Lay down on the ground now! On the ground! On the ground! Hold my fast! Get over here to me now! Get! Are you underwater? You have anything on you? Come to me now! You better figure it out! What's that? Right. Keep coming. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Shouldn't have ran from me. I saw you run, really. I'm sorry. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Bigger. Let me around. Get in. Which leg is it?
It's this one.
Left one, right one?
It's this one.
This one?
Yes.
All right, I'll help you put it on.
A man was wandering Hermitage Avenue with a gun. Police approached and repeatedly ordered him to drop it, but the suspect ignored them, escalating the situation as he advanced toward the officers. Confronting the law only ends one way.
Gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Shots fired.
Thanks for watching When People Mess with the Wrong Cops. Dashcam Instant Karma. What would you have done in these situations? Have you ever witnessed anything like this? Share your thoughts below.
Lean forward for me.